Hey guys, just out of pick and pull. I'm just going to show you how to get this door panel off on the Dodge Dakota. This is 2004, I believe. This be the same. I think it's from 2000 to 2004. Same body style, same way to get it off. Okay, so one screw here. There's a little cover, one screw there, one under the handle there. These are all Phillips. One there, and there. Okay, and once you got that, for these controls, there's a little, this whole panel kind of holds on right here, so you lift up on the back, and then you just pinch these connectors and they'll come right out. Pretty easy. And then once you got that, you got to pull up. So, right? Okay, and then you go back here, and there's going to be these two right here, so you just twist it out of the way. Push that way. Good. Oh, this one has a speaker. Mine didn't. Okay, so the connector's here. Awesome. Alright, and that's how you remove it. I'm going to put it back on. It's pretty self-explanatory, very easy. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed that video. If it helped you, you know what to do. See you guys later.